Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply glitter to your photos on the AirBrush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the camera icon or the library button to select a picture, and after that slide to the right side of the screen down below until you find this creative section and click on the glitter button above it. Here you should select from these glitter options that you can see, and all you have to do is brushing across the desired areas to apply the glitter effect, and you can adjust it on the slider down below on this scale to adjust the intensity of it, and you can also tap on the other colors to change it, and you can see which one fits your picture the best. If you want to erase it, click on the erase button and just brush across the relevant part that you want to delete. So that's how you can adjust it. If you want to save your picture, click on the check mark icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.